If you're getting ready to move out of your parents' house and start on your own, you've come to the right place. I've got some friendly tips that can help you make the leap with less stress and more confidence. First, take a realistic look at your finances. Moving out isn't just about packing boxes, it's about rent, utilities, groceries, and maybe roommate costs. Make sure you've built a budget that covers those new expenses and give yourself a bit of a buffer in case something unexpected comes up. Second, clear out the clutter. If you've been living at home for a while, you probably have stuff you don't need. Before moving, go through your belongings and decide what to take, what to donate, and what to leave. That way you'll move only what you use and actually need in your new place. Third, plan your move and explore the new area. Decide on a moving date. Find out what neighborhoods you like, where the grocery store will be, and what your commute might look like. Knowing this ahead of time makes settling in a lot easier. Fourth, get set up so you're ready to go when you arrive. That means arranging utilities in your name, making sure your new place is safe, and setting some routines. Since you're going on your own now, small things like having a plan for groceries and cleaning will help a ton. Finally, remember this is a big life step. It's exciting to have your own space, but it can feel strange too, and that's okay. Stay in touch with your family, invite friends over, and give yourself time to adjust. You're building something new and you'll feel at home before you know it. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com. You can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.